Okay, students, let's start. So, exercise 3C, first question that is given, you have to find out the square root of each of the following fractional numbers up to 2 decimal places. So, as I told you before also, when you find out, we can say up to 2 decimal places, then how many numbers require after decimal? 4 digits. It is require. अगर नहीं है तो आपको 0 यूज करने के बाद वो आपको 4 डिजिट कैसे भी करके लाना है. Yes or no? So, in front of you one fractional number is there, 4 upon 7. Now you are thinking, sir, how will solve the question? है ना? So what have to do? First of all, you have to divide. Simple, जैसे आप divide करते हो ना, simple way you have to do divide 4 upon 7. So how will you divide? Let's see. 4 को आपको 7 से divide करना है. आप लोग कभी-कभी सोचते होंगे, sir, this is smaller number, how will you divide? So 7 को कर देते हो 4 से. ऐसे नहीं करना है. Whatever numerator is given, that you have to write down in, we can say dividend as a dividend and this as a divisor. So we can say 7 how many times? So take point. सबसे पहले आपको क्या लेना है? Point लेना है. You will take a point and because of this point 1 0 I'll take. A simple divide, all of you know. Now 7 5 ja 35. So 5 remaining. Because of this point 0 will come. 7 7 ja 49. Okay. All of you concentrate here only, not right now. Now 150 minus 49 1. Because of this point 1 0 will be there. Okay. 7 1 ja 7. Now 10 minus 7 3. Because of this point 1 0. 7 4 ja 28. Now you are thinking, sir, this is continuously going on, कहाँ तक चलेगा मुझे पता नहीं. No issue, stop here. Because how many digits require? Only 4 digits are required. That's why this is complete. 4 digit हमारे पास आ चुका है. Now whatever your answer will came, that is write down here 0.5714. Okay. Now we will find out what is the square root of 0.5714. Yes. What is the square root of this one? All of you find out. चलो ये point ही लिख दो, 0 लगाने की भी जरूरत नहीं. No issue. Afterwards I will write down 5714. Now all of you find out what is the square root of 0.5714. What you have to do? First of all, make pairs. So first step, this point write down in upper side. जैसा ऐसे लिख point. Now think all of you, 57. Before 57, which is the square number? Think all of you. Which one? 49. 49 is the square number. 7 7 ja 49. And after that 8 8 ja 64, वो तो ज़्यादा हो जाएगा. So 7 7 ja 49. One square number will take. So we can say 7 7 ja 49. Done. Now minus कर दो. 57 minus 49 8. This pair come in downside 14 as it is. Okay. Next step 7 plus 7 जो number आप multiply करते हो वही addition करना है. 7 plus 7 14 is there. No issue. Now here put a number. Put a number. Same number you have to multiply. That near about 814 will come. So we can say which one? चलो रफ यहाँ पे work करते. 1 4 5. Let's see. 5 5 ja 25. 2 carry. 5 4 ja 20. 22. 2 here. 5 1 ja 5 7. Yes. If you take 6 now, then it will take like highest, मतलब greater number than 814. That's why we'll take 5. Okay. Then here also. So write down here 725. Subtraction 14 minus 5 9. 11 minus carry, that is 10. 10 minus 2 8. 0 there. Now stop here. Stop. So the answer will be how many? 0.75. So we can say कैसे लिखना है आपको? Like this. Square root of 4 upon 7 is equals to 0.75 and write down approx. This word also you have to write down because this is not perfect answer. अगर इसको आप 0.76 भी लिख रहे हो ना, that is also correct answer because this is approx value. Correct? This is your approx value. Understood all of you? This is very very easy question. So you have to remember these steps. Okay? Just wait. Actually, you have to remember these steps. How I solve the question. First of all, simple divide. What you have to do? Simple divide. Whatever your answer came, that answer square root you have to find out. So next question you have to solve yourself. Okay? so your next question is, okay, second part you have to solve yourself. Third part I am doing. Third part 1 and 7 upon 8. See here. Third part 1 and 7 upon 8. All of you find out. How will find? Huh? Okay. So first of all I have to convert 8 1 ja 8 plus 7 15 upon 8. Okay. First of all, when mixed fractions are given, then you have to convert into improper fraction. Then divide कर दो इस तरीके से सबसे पहले. Do divide fast. All of you do divide. Do fast divide. Okay, very good. Now, okay, first of all you will do divide. Yes. Now this question we have to solve. First of all 15 upon 8 we will do divide. Okay, so how? Let's see like this. So simple divide, 8 1 ja 8, correct? Now 15 minus 8, that is 7. Obviously 7 is the smallest number than 8, that's why we can say take point and write down 0. How many? 8 8 is 64. 8 8 is 64. 70 minus 64, that is 6. And because of this point, 0 will be there. Correct? Next, 8 7 is 56. Now 4 will be there. Now because of this point, 0, 8 5 is 40. Now you are thinking, sir, your answer is coming 1.875. But here to 3 digit. How will write down 4 digit? So write down 0, only one 0 you have to use. So we can say 1, first of all, 1.875, correct? So 1.875, 1 0 you have to read. We have to write down 1 extra 0. Now find out like pairs. कैसे pairs लेते? 2, 2 and 1. Okay. Now first of all think all of you, 1 is the number that any numbers, any square number. 1 क्या square number है? Yes. We can say 1 1 ja 1. 1 into 1, that is 1. So 1 minus 1, 0. We will not write. This point shifted in upper side. Okay, this point shifted in upper side. Next, 87 coming downside. Okay? Next step, 1 plus 1, write down 2. 1 plus 1, write down 2. Now put a number here and same number multiply. In that case, like less than 87 will come. We can say कौन सा नंबर ऐसे होता है? 2 3 जा, एक बार चेक कर लेते. 2 3 जा 9, सॉरी 3 3 जा 9, 2 3 जा 6. सपोज आपने अगर 4 पुट कर दिया, 4, then 4 4 जा 16, 1, 4 2 जा 8, 9, 96 is a greater number. That's why we'll take 3. So आपको 3 पुट करना है यहाँ पे and 3 here also and 69 will come. Okay. Now 17 minus 9, 8. 8 minus carry, 7 7 minus 6, 1. This pair coming downside as it is 0, oh sorry, 5 0, 5 0. Now next step, you have to addition. जो number आप multiply करते हो same number addition. So 26, very good. Next, which number put? 6. Okay, let's see. 6 करके देखते एक बार. 6 6 जा 36, 3 carry, 6 6 जा 36. 9 3 carry, 6 2 is 12, 15, very good. And if I put 7, then how many answers will come? Anyone find? अगर हम 7 put करते तो, so let's take 6. आपने सही भी करा होगा. So if I put 6, then 1 5 9 6 will come. Now 10 minus 6, 4. 5 minus carry, 14, 14 minus 9, 5. And 8 minus carry, 7, 7 minus 2, 2. Yes. So the answer will be how many? 1.36. 1.36. Okay. So the write down answer here we can say square root of 1 and 7 upon 8 is equals to 1.36. That is your correct answer. And write down approx also. Okay. So I hope students, all of you understood this question, or no issue? Yes or no? Now let's see next question. What is? Just wait. So your first question, mental maths. First question, square of 16. Square of 16 is equals to what? Next, question number 2. Square of 5 upon 9 is equals to what? Third question, square of 0.3 is equals to what? Square of 0.07 is equals to what? Let's see one by one. First of all, what is the square of 16? How many? 256. So how will find out 256? Obviously मैंने आपको बोल चुका हूँ 1 to 20 at least square you have to remember in your mind. Otherwise one short trick is there. Yesterday also I told you, if you remember, कैसे 1 square 1, 0 1 will write down. See here, 6 square 36. Okay, now next 1 multiply 6 multiply 2, how many? 1 6 are 6, 6 2 are 12. So write down 12 here. So 6, 3 plus 2, 5, 1 plus 1, 2. Done. Again. Okay. Next, what is the square of 5 upon 9? 25 upon 81, because 5 square that is 25, 9 square this is 81. Done. Okay. Next, square of 0.3. This is 0. How many? 0.09, not 0.9. Because 0.3 square means 0 multiply 0.3. Yes or no? ये है ना. अब 3 into 3, this is 9. And after point, how many digits? 1, 2. That's why we can say 0 लगाओ, point लगाओ, 0.09. That is the correct answer. Okay? Actually आप लोग ये mistake करते हो बिल्कुल 0 point का. So remember always. Next, square of 0.07. Yes, 0.0049. Okay, 7 square that is 49, and here 2 digits, so 2 digits ka square 4 digit. So we can say before 4 digit your point will be shifted. Okay, that is your complete answer. Okay. Okay, next question, let's see. All of you understood this question? Easy question, yes or no? Thumbs up one time. Yes, very good. चलो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में आते हैं. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन ऑफ 5. Okay, so question of 5, that is 99 square minus 98 square. Yes, अगर आप इस तरीके से करने चले गए ना, 99 square 99 multiply 99, then it will take a very big question, very hard. So use the formula only, a square minus b square. Okay. Next, question number 6. Square root of 0.0081. Square root, next question number 7. Without adding 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17. Okay. Okay, just wait. First of all, I will take this question. 99 square minus 98 square. So all of you remember the formula? एग्जाम में तो सारे गलती करके आए. सम स्टूडेंट ओनली लाइक 20 to 30% करेक्ट आंसर. 99 स्क्वायर माइनस 90 स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर. ए प्लस बी ए माइनस बी. रिमेंबर ए प्लस बी ए माइनस बी. ए इज इक्वल्स टू 99, b is equals to 98. So we can say 99 plus 98 or 99 minus 98. Obviously सबको तो पता ही है 99 minus 98 कितना होता है 1, है ना. And 1 multiply this one. इसका आंसर फाइंड करना. How many? 197. And 197 multiply 1 always 197. That is the correct answer. when always remember when the consecutive numbers are given, consecutive मतलब कंटिन्यूअस लगातार नंबर होता है और उन दोनों का स्क्वायर का डिफरेंस पूछा है ना, देन ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस एडिशन, दिस इज द करेक्ट आंसर और कुछ करना ही नहीं है ना, ओनली दिस एडिशन डू एंड राइट डाउन द करेक्ट आंसर. ओके, देन नाउ दिस वन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 81 का स्क्वायर, व्हाट इज द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 81? 9 only. We can say 9, and from this 2 0 only 1 0 we will take because we will find out the square root. So 0 लगा दो, पॉइंट लगा दो, आंसर हो गया, डन. ओके, वेरी सिंपल. ओके, अब देखो एक जादू दिखाता हूं आपको. 1 + 3 + 5 + 7 + 9 + 11 + 13 + 15 + 17, कितना आंसर है? 81. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 का स्क्वायर 81. एडिशन नहीं करना बिल्कुल. 1 + 3 एडिशन नहीं करना, ऐसे 1 + 3 4, 4 + 5 9, 9 + 7 16, 16 + 9 25, ऐसे नहीं करना. जस्ट काउंट करो पहले. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and that number square, that is the correct answer. बट ये कब अप्लाई होता है? when continuous odd numbers are there, consecutive odd numbers are available. Okay, so in that case your answer will be 81. Okay, but ऐसे अगर कभी आ जाए तो 1 + 3 + 9 + 11 then also we can't use because इसमें बीच में से गायब हो गया, तो इस केस में भी हम यूज नहीं कर सकते वो फॉर्मूला. ओके, कंटिन्यूअस होना चाहिए सर. ओके, आप बोलोगे सर ऐसे भी तो हो सकता है कंटिन्यूअस. 5 + 7 + 9, in that case also we will not use, whenever starting from 1 only. Okay, in that case we can use this formula. ठीक है? Okay, now we'll move next question. Let's see.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
सर, जो आपने 5th क्वेश्चन समझाया था, अगर हम 76